Hey guys, today I created this green and glam eyeshadow look with the pop-up shimmers, and I'm using the Chalice palette from IMAGIC. And if you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. I already did my left eye but without mascara and false eyelashes. Now I'm just gonna prime my other eye. I'm using the 020 primer. Next, I'm using most of the shades here, including the yellow eyeshadow, and I'm using this one to buff that all over my crease. I'm using this as my transition shade. Then I went back to just add a little more. I'm gonna use this white shade here, and I'm just going to use that to diffuse the harsh lines from the yellow eyeshadows. Next, I'm taking this yellow-green shade and I'm just placing that right under the yellow eyeshadow. I'm using this one for my crease actually. I went back to that big blending brush and I'm just mixing these two together. Then I went back adding more of that light green shade. I'm using the same brush and I'm taking this dark green shade and I'm placing that on the outer part and I'm taking it on the inner half part. Next, I'm taking this shimmery champagne eyeshadow and I'm placing that on the inner corners and I'm just using my fingers to blend that out. I'm adding more of that shimmery shade because it will kind of disappear. So I keep adding and I'm using this flat brush just to emphasize that on my upper part. Then I'm taking this black eyeshadow and I'm just placing that on the outer part just to deepen up the look. I'm doing the same technique on my lower lash line, but I didn't add any shimmers. Instead, I used a black pencil eyeliner on my waterline. Next, I'm creating a wing and I'm making it the same as possible on my left eye, but it will never happen, guys. Like, it never happens. I don't know why. Well, probably because my eyes have different lid shape. I don't know, just probably. Next, I'm curling my lashes and I'm gonna add some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is just the same, my favorite Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline. I'm also applying mascara on my lower lashes. And that completes the look. Oh, also I added false eyelashes off cam.